Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how to make a reset function for your Nyan Cat simulator project. Alright, so right now I've got it so that my Nyan Scratch Cat's moving all around and making some rainbows everywhere. When I stop it and restart the program, it keeps up all the rainbow drawings on here. I don't want that to happen. So what we need to do to erase all of that, whether it be the drawings or the stamps, which looks like that, is we need to use an erase all. So we put this at the very beginning. So when we press the green flag, ta-da, it erases everything. Awesome. Okay, so I want to create, make this a little bit easier to read. So I'm going to create a function, and the function is just going to be called something like reset. So I'm going to go to my blocks, and I'm going to make a block and call it reset, and say okay. And now I have this new define block here. So all of this code that was at the very beginning that I'm using to kind of like initialize or reset everything, you can call it either, I'm going to put it in the define. So now all I have to do to run this code is simply hit reset. So when I press the green flag, it now does all of this stuff before it starts doing the drawing, etc. And now another block that we could add into here is we could actually make it so that now Nyan Cat goes to a very specific position. So for instance, maybe we'll have Nyan Cat go to the very beginning. So we'll say go to 0, 0. So that way the cat will start in the beginning, in the middle, not the beginning, and then it's going to start moving around. So every time it always starts in the middle of the screen when it resets. Now, the reason why we wanted to create this as a reset function, instead of maybe labeling it something like initialize, is because you might want to add in an event that allows you to clear stuff. So you could like say, hey, when we press the space bar, also reset and redo everything. So if I press spacebar, like I did just now, it just kind of restarts the entire program without having to press the green flag. You can call it whatever you want, reset, initialize, do something super fancy, function, block, whatever you want to call it. It's up to you. Anyways, use code like this. Just go to my blocks and make a block and add that into your project to allow your project to reset and to clear out all of the drawings or stamps that you added. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.